Hey friends, if you wish to adjust power and sleep settings in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select power and battery, and then you can expand the list of for power mode, and then you can change it according to your requirements. You can change the screen and sleep timings, like you can change the timer for when you wish to turn the screen off after inactivity, and the sleep time timer for both the battery and plugged in mode. You can also use some energy saver settings, like whether you wish to use the energy saver or not, but it will dim your display. And you can also mention turn on the energy saver automatically when the battery level is at what percentage. You can also check the battery usage in the past 24 hours, and there are a lot more things that you can do in this panel. Okay, and you can also check the lid power and sleep controls. So you don't need to open the power options menu. You have all the options here, like pressing the power button will do what, will it shut down, will it sleep, will it do what, and then pressing the sleep button will do what, closing the lid will do what, for both the on battery and plugged in modes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.